My name is Bumgardner. I'm the Precision Ag Consultant for C&B Operations in northeastern Montana. In this week's Technology Thursday video, we're going to be going over shared data between multiple machines in a field and how you can continue to use your shared data options if you're operating in a field that doesn't have AT&T cell coverage, which is required for 4G MTGs to operate. So to do shared data, you have to have a Green Star display, 2630 or Gen 4 display. You'll need a MTG that has a Connect subscription, validated Operations Center account that has the updated terms and conditions. And then once you have all that, you can go in and create a work group in your displays or set up a network if it's a 2630 display. You'll also need an Ethernet connection between the display and the MTGs. And once you have those set up, you can share coverage maps and guidance lines between multiple machines that are operating in the same field or in the same work group if it's Gen 4 display. But what happens in a lot of areas is you have some fields that don't have the best cell coverage for the MTGs to work, and your coverage maps don't update as quickly as you'd like them to, or they just can't connect to the group. So in order to work around this, you have the option you can tether your 4G MTGs to a mobile hotspot from a third-party cell provider. So we're going to start with the key on, engine off. Once you have your key on, engine off, you're going to go to your Solution Plus app. Down here in the corner there's Tools. Then you're going to connect your machine to wireless. It'll bring up a list of all the nearby machines that you can connect to wireless. And you should see the serial number of the machine that you're in. Today we're in an S780 combine. And it'll search for available networks. And then it'll ask for you to enter the password. And it says we're connected. So now that we're connected, we can go ahead and join a work group. So now that we are connected to our mobile hotspot, we can see we have a wireless connection up there. We're going to go check and make sure we have everything set up for data sharing so we can share coverage and lines. So we're going to go to Menu, Applications. We scroll down to Sharing. We see that we have a wireless connection, internet connection is active. We have a JD Link subscription. My John Deere organization, our data sync is turned on, and so is our sharing. Everything looks good. And we can actually go join a work group for shared coverage. If we go to our work list, it should load our available groups. We do have another S780 combine that we've already connected to a mobile hotspot here. So it should come up on our list to join. So there it is right there. Go to next. Join the group. Shows it's joined up. Okay. We go here. That black dot, we're not very far away from the other combine, so that black dot that's basically right underneath of us is the combine that we're next to. So that's the way for you to continue your shared coverage and shared AB lines with multiple machines in a field if you end up in an area where your MTG does not have its traditional cell coverage carrier working. That concludes this week's Technology Thursday video. Once again, I'm Nate Bumgardner, Precision Ag Consultant for C&B Operations in Circle, Glasgow, Culbertson, and Plentywood, Montana. If you have any questions about what you've seen today on Technology Thursday video or any other Technology Thursday video, please reach out to your local C&B operation dealership, your John Deere dealer of choice.